Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the top choices in dog food, the Nutrish Rachael Ray Chunks and Gravy Wet Dog Food. Specifically, the Real Chicken and Veggies recipe. If you're looking for the best Rachael Ray zero-grain dog food out there, this might just be it. Let's find out why. First off, let's talk ingredients. This dog food is crafted with real chicken and wholesome veggies, making it a nutritious choice for dogs of all life stages. It's formulated without grains, which is excellent for those pups with sensitivities or allergies. Nutrish is known for its commitment to quality, and this formula reflects that with a focus on ingredient integrity and balanced nutrition. Now, why is this a standout product? Beyond the tasty real chicken, it's packed with essential vitamins and minerals to support your dog's overall health. Whether it's skin and coat care, immune system support, or just overall vitality, this formula aims to deliver. Plus, being a wet food, it helps keep your dog hydrated, which is often overlooked but crucial for their well-being. Texture matters too, especially for our furry friends. The chunks and gravy provide a satisfying texture that dogs love. It's not just about nutrition, it's about enjoyment too. And speaking of taste, the real chicken flavor really comes through, making mealtime something your dog will look forward to every day. Now, let's discuss value for money. While quality is paramount, affordability matters too. Nutrish Rachael Ray delivers on both fronts. You get premium ingredients without breaking the bank. It's a testament to Rachael Ray's dedication to providing accessible, high-quality nutrition for our pets. To sum it up, the Nutrish Rachael Ray Chunks and Gravy Wet Dog Food, Real Chicken and Veggies recipe, stands out as one of the best choices in the market, especially for those looking for grain-free options. With its focus on real ingredients, nutrition, and affordability, it's a winner in our book. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and reviews here on Product Critique. Until next time, keep your pets happy and healthy. Thanks for watching.